Hi everyone. Welcome to Easy DIY Murphy Bed. Want to turn your kids' playroom into a guest room in literally seconds? Ever wish your tiny condo corner could instantly become your go-to hangout, home office, or guest space? Building your own Murphy bed, with our heavy-duty hardware costs far less than buying factory-built or hiring pros, and makes a perfect weekend project. In this short video, I'll walk you through each step, from basic cuts to the final install. You'll see every step to build a sleek, professional-grade wall bed that folds away in seconds. Step 1. Buy your hardware. First, measure your space and select the right size Murphy bed hardware kit. Our kit includes all necessary parts, heavy-duty metal components, precision-engineered gas pistons, square tube fold-away legs, and comprehensive instructions in 3 guidebooks for cutting the wood, constructing, and assembling the wall bed. Detailed online videos are also available 24/7. Step 2. Get your lumber. Visit your local lumber store or Home Depot to pick up the recommended lumber. The most common is 3/4 of an inch thick plywood, since plywood offers the best strength, versatility, and cost-effectiveness. The provided cutting guide includes precise dimensions and layout instructions to minimize wood wastage and streamline the process. Step 3. Cut the lumber. With our easy-to-follow cutting guides, trimming your boards to size is quick and easy. No fancy tools required. Just a circular saw, measuring tape, and our clear-cutting charts. Most local hardware stores can also cut your lumber to size for extra convenience. Step 4. Attach the hardware. Now, it's time to attach the Murphy bed hardware to the lumber parts. Since our hardware does not require complex measurements or difficult setups, the complete process is smooth and quick. Once the hardware is attached to the cabinet sides and sides of the bed frame, the next step is to put together the bed frame. Our step-by-step guides and videos make the complete process very easy even for novices. Step 5. Assemble your Murphy bed. Finally, now that the hardware parts have been attached, we are ready to assemble the bed. Our step-by-step assembly guide makes the process easy and straightforward. At this time, the premium made in USA gas pistons get installed, simply by pushing in the snap-on fittings, and thanks to our step-by-step video tutorials available 24/7 online, you'll finish in no time. After assembling the Murphy bed, it's time to secure it to the wall. Now the mattress is placed on the bed frame. The included adjustable quick-release mattress strap will keep the mattress in place when the Murphy bed is not in use. Murphy beds utilize mattresses identical to those used in conventional beds, ensuring that you experience the same degree of comfort. And there you have it. A sleek, space-saving Murphy bed built by you. Durable hardware, straightforward instructions, and top-notch support you can count on. Ready to reclaim your floor space and create the ultimate guest room for your family and friends? With our DIY Murphy bed kit, you'll maximize your floor space in seconds, save hundreds versus pre-built beds, customize every detail to match your style, and feel proud of a weekend project that's built to last. With high-grade steel hardware and a lifetime warranty, along with clear instructions, it's perfect even for DIY beginners.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more upcoming great DIY content from us.